Hey dudes and doodles, today here we are in Katamita to taste some spicy as well as sweet chats. With vibrant lights, samosa, pav bhaji and kachori were placed in front. Even the ambience was good with warm lights. Looking to the menu, there were around 26 items with a reasonable price too. I ordered a kachori as well as jamun which costed me around 45 rupees. After giving the bill to the person, he started adding kachori toppings with red sauce, green sauce, onion as well as om podi which looked good. I was wondering where is the curd, then I got to know curd dahi kachori is another separate item. It was above average in my opinion. The jamun was fluffy as well as so sweet and it tasted so awesome. The location has been pinned in the comment section.